What is Zionism? What is its history? And what is its opposition, anti-Zionism? And what constitutes this history? The conversation has gotten so loud, yet it seems people don't really know the definitions of the terms themselves. It's time to cut through the rhetoric, noise, slogans, and soundbites and offer the debate an intelligible context. Join us to journey through the historical roots of this debate.
The State of Israel was born not after the Holocaust, so that never again. The State of Israel was intended to be born by the Zionist leaders before, so that never at all.
In each episode, we will explore how every type of Zionist thought was opposed by a certain brand of anti-Zionism, and we reflect on how these various debates persist to this day.